Okay, a swimming pool of a length 4p plus 2 and a width of 3p meters is surrounded by a path that is p meters wide. So obtain the following in expanded form. So let's look at the first question. They want an expression for the perimeter of the pool. So the pool is a rectangle, and the perimeter, so we have we've got 4p plus 2 in length and 3p in width. So when the perimeter is, you add up all the sides. So really we have 2 lengths plus 2 of the widths. So then they want us to do it in expanded form, so we'll expand out. So we go 2 times that, so that's 8p, and 2 times 4, that plus 4, plus 2 times 3p, so plus 6p. Now we can group like terms, so we get 14p plus 4, so that is a formula for the perimeter of the pool. So up here, so we can write p equals 14p plus 4. Okay, next one. Find an expression for the area of the pool. So area equals length times width. But you told me that the length was 4p plus 2 and the width is 3p. So we then just multiply that out. So it doesn't matter whether 3p can be at the front. So I might move that around like that. So it's like what we do, and we do 3p times 4p, which is 12p squared, and 3p times 2, which is 6p. So there is a formula for area. So area equals 12p squared plus 6p. Alright, I'm just going to clear it and then I'll do C. Okay, so with C, they want an expression of the length of the pool. So the length, which we know it's 4p, and the path. So the path is p wide. So we've got a p up here and we've got p up there. So really the length would be p plus 4p plus 2 plus p. But we can group all the p's together, so we get 6p plus 2. So the length, we could say, is 6p plus 2. And then expression for the width, well, it'll be the same. We have the 3p and then we have a p here. This is p, and this little bit here is p. So we end up with, if you add them all up, we have the width is 5p. So when they want the perimeter of the pool and path, so we're now saying the length of the pool is 6 and path is 6p plus 2, and the width of the pool is 5p. So we know the perimeter, we can do 2 of the lengths plus 2 of the widths. So that's 5p, this is 5p, etc. So we can expand that out, so it'd be 2 times 6, so that's 12p plus 4, and then plus 10p, group the p's together, so we get 22p plus 4. Okay, so we've got a formula for the perimeter, 22p plus 4. Okay, if we're finding an expression for the area of the pool and the path, so area is length times width because it's a rectangle, but the length of the pool and the path is 6p plus 2, and we're going to times it by 5p, and I'm just going to rewrite that with the p at the front because we're used to doing that, just to help you. I don't want to confuse anyone. So then we do 5p times 6p, which would be 30p squared, and then 5p times 2 would be plus 10p. So area for pool and path equals 30p squared plus 10p. Now the last question here, they're asking, or last one, an expression for the area of the path. So if you have the area for the whole thing, and you minus the area of the pool, you'd be left with the path.